Hi there, Anna here, and I need to tell you about this stoneware dish set. So, I was looking for a new dish set, and I wanted something with a nice feel to it, and this has what I was looking for. I was looking for stoneware. It has a bowl. It has a salad plate. It has a dinner plate. Has a mug, and they are microwave and dishwasher safe. Minus one, but besides that, I was looking for something that had a lid that sauce and gravy wouldn't spill out. I also make flan a lot, and I don't like when that's sweet. Caramel spills out of the plate. So this actually holds it really well when I tried it. I've had this set for about 5 years. It withstands a lot. And we do dishwash and hand wash. And it still looks great. We use it every day, multiple times a day. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.